Ever been on a plane, stuck in a remote location, or simply faced a spotty internet connection and wished you could still tap into the power of Gemini? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the burning question, does Gemini work offline? Let's face it, our world runs on connectivity. But what happens when that connectivity suddenly disappears? Can we still rely on the advanced language model we've come to depend on for everything from writing emails and generating creative content to answering our burning questions? The short answer is no. Gemini, in its current form, does not work offline. Gemini, like many other large language models, is a cloud-based AI. This means it relies heavily on a robust internet connection and access to vast amounts of data stored in remote servers. Think of it like this: Gemini is a powerful brain, but it needs a constant stream of information to function. This information includes the massive dataset it was trained on. This dataset is the foundation of Gemini's knowledge, allowing it to understand and generate human-like text. Real-time updates. The world is constantly changing. To provide the most accurate and up-to-date information, Gemini needs access to the latest news, research papers, and other relevant data. Computational resources. Processing the complex algorithms that power Gemini requires significant computing power. Cloud servers provide the necessary infrastructure to handle these demanding calculations. So, what are the implications of this reliance on the cloud? Limited accessibility. If you're in an area with poor internet connectivity, you'll be severely limited in your ability to use Gemini. Interruptions in service. Outages or disruptions in internet service can completely prevent you from accessing and using Gemini. Data privacy concerns. While cloud providers have robust security measures in place, relying on cloud services inherently involves some level of data sharing. The good news is that the field of offline AI is constantly evolving. Researchers are actively exploring ways to make powerful AI models more accessible and functional even without a persistent internet connection. Here are some potential avenues being explored. Edge computing, bringing processing power closer to the user, such as through local devices or edge servers, can reduce reliance on remote cloud resources. Model compression and optimization. Techniques like quantization and pruning can significantly reduce the size of AI models, making them more suitable for deployment on devices with limited storage and processing power. Offline training and fine-tuning. Training smaller, more specialized AI models on local devices can enable offline functionality for specific tasks. While these solutions are still under development, they offer a glimpse into a future where powerful AI like Gemini can be more accessible and robust, even in environments with limited connectivity. In the meantime, what can you do if you need to use Gemini offline? Plan ahead. If you anticipate being in a situation with limited or no internet access, try to prepare by downloading any necessary information or files beforehand. Utilize offline tools. Explore alternative offline tools and resources that can help you accomplish your tasks. Consider a hybrid approach. Combine offline tools with limited online access when possible. While Gemini currently relies heavily on cloud infrastructure and cannot operate fully offline, the future of AI is likely to include more robust offline capabilities. As research progresses, we can expect to see more innovative solutions that bridge the gap between powerful AI and the need for offline access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.